I recently ran into an issue when I was trying to create just a simple form for a pony game that I'm making. I didn't really find a lot of useful information on this, so I thought I would share what I figured out. I want to create a foreign key on my post table using the user ID as the reference. The user ID is a big int, it's unassigned for the attribute, and it is the primary key. Now, to my post table, my column post by is integer and nullable, but it's missing the attribute unassigned. When I try to connect a foreign key, I'll get an error here, as you can see. I can fix this by updating my post by column so the attribute matches unassigned the same as my user table. Now when I save the constraint, it works and a new foreign key is created. Now for me, I was missing the unassigned attribute, but something else on yours might be mismatching. Also make sure that the foreign key you're going to be creating is nullable.